पहली बार देख रहा हूँ। मैं भी जंगल में इगुआना।
Baby, go.
On your right, on your right.
I said no, we have a different area kept for
इधर
dogs,
आगे
where
के
you
देखो।
go and touch them, but not here, not right. But tell me, why do we call it a pig? Does it look like a pig? Quite as quite. This chotu animal in sir's hand is called a hedgehog. Which thing? No, it will not come. It knows the sir. No, it is not scared right now. If you all make noise, वो वापस चले जाएगा. If you all make noise, it will go back. You all know which dog breed is it?
Saint Bernard.
It's a Saint Bernard. ठीक है? Saint Bernard.
It's going in the water. ऐसी हेड देखो. थोड़ा देखो ना, करना नहीं उसको. Very bite है.
Can you see the penguins? Does the sing? It sings. You can say. And another one is in our
नहीं थामा.
Okay, no one is going to shout because we are going to find out wild animals. Wild animals are free; they are not captive as they are. Okay. So fishes are vertebrate animals. They have spinal cord. Okay, vertebrae. So male fishes have bump on their head. Can you see the bump? And females don't have bumps. So this is the girl fish. Little here, that is called common snapping turtle. Okay? Common snapping turtle. Why it is called common snapping turtle? And if you come closer, it will snap. And it will eat. Okay, this is how it is. Come here.
तो आज हम बच्चे हैं कहाँ बच्चे हैं
Owen's nature.
तो ये देखो फ्रेंड्स ये जॉन आए हैं हेलो और एक बच्चे का और इसको देखना है इसलिए वो भी जाए
बहुत फास्ट.
सारे दिखा था आपको पता नहीं.
आपको जाना 1 2 3
मजा है.